Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using the secret code and the second is using the settings. So let me show you the first option. Let's open the dialer. Let's tap on the keypad and let's type the secret code. It's *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's click on OK and let me show you another option. It is using the settings. So let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to About Phone, and here at the very first page we've got the IMEI numbers for both SIM slots and also a serial number above them. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy M11. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.